So okay guys, I got this in the mail yesterday. I did a review about it. You can check it out on the channel. This is a air freshener. It's a turntable air freshener fragrance for your car. And today we're gonna go check it out and see how good it actually works. And if you would buy one of these. Yeah, it looks really cool. Again, as I say, you can check it out in the previous video. Let's see if it focuses here. It's a turntable air freshener for your car. With this, the plates or whatever you call these, I'm not sure. CDs. Scented CDs, that's what it says. We're gonna go test it out, see how it works in the car, how it fits, if it smells really good in the car. So let's go. Okay guys, we are here now in the car to check out this new air freshener that I got, to see if it's any good. Again, it's the turntable air freshener. I got it on AliExpress. I think I paid, it was like $9 with shipping. I'll put up a screenshot for you to see. 9 or more, I'm not fully sure. So here goes. Let's see how it works. Yeah, so now I got it in my hand, and I guess this goes on to the air vents right here. I want to put it over here. It matches the interior of my car. I can tell you it looks really nice, really nice. I like how it fits. It's not intrusive to the vents. What I mean by that, you will not damage your air vents by putting this here. And now let's see how it fits or how it looks. So if it works when I put the disc, the CD disc. Yep. And it smells really good. Smells really good. Let me turn the car on now and see if it works when I put the AC on. If it dispenses the fragrance more. And AC, I'm gonna turn it to here. It's supposed to be spinning. Oh, I didn't have the AC on. Sorry. Yep. Works really well. So while it's spinning here, the fragrance is spreading throughout the car, and you can smell it. It's a really nice fragrance. And what you guys can do also, when the fragrance wears off, you can just spray some normal perfume, or if you have some essential oil, you can just drop it here, and I guess it will freshen up your car also. So I have it, the speed it's on 2. It's not spinning on 2. Let's see when it starts to spin. It's on 3. So it starts to spin when it's on 4. Nice, really nice product. Really nice product. It's pretty good. So again, guys, if you're all interested, the link is in the description. Thank you again for stopping by the channel, Online Shopper, where I review some stuff from AliExpress. I love buying stuff on AliExpress. And if you're buying stuff from AliExpress during this time, you are getting it. It might take a little bit longer than usual. In my experience, it didn't take longer. It came just as fast. Have a good one. Be safe.